from NBC News. This is Today with Lily and Anna. Live from NBC Studios in Rockefeller Center.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Today. I am Lily.
And I'm Anna. Today is Sunday, April 6th, and we are so happy you're starting your day with us.
How are you doing this morning, Anna?
And how are you doing, Lily? Good.
Good.
Let's get into today's headlines. A new study found that a positive attitude is key to a person's health. Ways to increase happiness levels include setting goals, practicing gratitude and meditation, and of course, smiling more.
Now that we got our headlines covered, let's check in with our Meteorologist list.
Hello, Lily and Anna. How are you this morning?
We're doing well and hoping we'll have some nice weather headed our way.
Well, you are in luck, my friends, because from coast to coast, it's going to be a beautiful weekend with sunny and clear skies. It'll be the perfect time to get outside. I hope you have a great weekend in your neck of the woods.
Sounds like it's going to be a fantastic weekend. And to start it off, let's get a morning boost.
Me, Ranger, and Sydney, two rescue dogs, returned thanks to a chance conversation between their owners. They organized a play day and the pups started playing like no time has passed, proving true friendship can last a lifetime.
Oh, what a special moment. Now it's time for Pop Star. Let's head to Rachel for the latest in pop culture news.
Hey Lily and Anna, we have someone special here in the studio today. Say hello to Dustin, a Grammy award-winning artist who released their new album today. Dustin, hi, how's New York treating you so far?
It's been great. I've been here for a couple days and just enjoying it.
You're getting ready to head out on your very first world tour. What can fans expect from you on stage?
A lot of excitement, a lot of energy, lots of lights.
You've worked with some of the biggest names in the music industry. I'm curious, who's your dream collaboration?
Justin Bieber, for sure.
We can't wait to hear you play some of your new music on our plaza. But before we go, what do you want to say to all of your fans?
Thank you for supporting me all these years. It's been a great ride. That's really it.
Lily and Anna, I know you both are big fans too, so get on your dancing shoes.
So fun. Thanks, Rachel. Before we wrap up, we want to thank our amazing crew who made everything possible behind the scenes.
That's right, from our top-notch camera operators to our talented control room. We are fortunate enough to have the best in the business.
We also have the best audience members in the world. Let's go to the Rob Plaza now.
Hey Lily, I'm here with an excited fan now. What's your name or where are you from?
I'm Vicki and I'm from Seattle.
Anybody watching at home that you want to say hi to?
Sure, I'll say hi to my mom and my dad.
Well, thank you for being here. And from all of us at Today, thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.